This is the IVYROLL set of stackable storage bins. It's a set of 3. Over 8 gallons of storage on wheels. Setup is really easy. Put the wheel corners in place and then the wheels themselves. All 4 wheels are lockable. Now that we've got the wheels installed, let's build the bins. Each of the storage boxes opens and snaps together very easily. Make sure the rectangular ring is pushed down into place properly. This helps the box hold its shape. The doors have little magnets to keep them properly closed. The box is all set up quickly and easily. This storage box is great. It's perfect for kids or adults. Store almost any little thing inside this box. It's convenient for school, work, play, or personal. Rotate this box or slide it around. It moves everywhere as a single unit. Or separate into smaller bins. These IVYROLL stackable storage bins are a win for everyone. Thanks for listening and watching my video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.